Welcome to our cost accounting software demo, using a small CBD business to show products managed, purchased, made and sold. We start by logging into the Cloud Inventory app, and review the inventory on hand, and the bill of material with components used to make each product. Each product include the direct material, labor, and overhead cost of making them. Next we log into the cost accounting software, to view the product cost, confirm inventory status and add inventory. We next update inventory by adding products that were purchased. When processing the form, it is important to include the cost per unit, and quantity received per product. Costbucket will automatically update the cost of products made. Next we will make the products in the software, where the components will be reduced based on the bill of material of each product and convert to finished goods. Now that we have purchased and manufactured the inventory, we will next create a sales order and process it into an invoice, then review the updated inventory status once more.